Bro, get in the toilet. I need to take a shit. This is your job.
Bro, what is
get in there.
What is your issue?
No. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna make a
This is
fat
a war
fucking
crime.
stew, and you're gonna take it.
Go, you, bro, you go over there. Nah, you gotta get in the bathroom. Nah, you gotta get in the bathroom. No, if you go into the bathroom first, I'll go in after you.
Hey, that sounds good, dude. Fresh stew, that's quite the offer.
Fucking get in there.
Well, yeah, Acer, go ahead. If you think it's such a good offer, bro, take it up with me.
Oh no, I don't want the shit right now.
Alright, yeah, me either. I'm solid.
He's a little shit boy.
Yeah, exactly.
جاهز حلو
Alright, Voltage, I'm looking in the toilet right now, and I bet you're wondering what I'm about to say.
I'm wondering the same thing.
Listen up, buddy. I better not catch you at night on the Dixie Highway with something dangling between your legs because I'm gonna fuck you, you little bitch. Now get in the toilet and eat my shit.
Does anybody hear this? Is nobody going to do any? Can somebody speak up? Like, what is?
Come on, get
this
in
is
position.
not good.
They're sending everyone.
Who? Oh, we got a lot of people over here.
All right, you stupid motherfuckers. Fuck you! Shut the boy! Yeah, fuck. Stupid son of bitches! Come on!
Oh boy, it's a lot better when it's a real woman, isn't it, Jason?
It's beautiful.
Ah, what the fuck?
Fucking love.
This game fucking sucks. This is a garbage game.
That was cool.